Welcome everyone. Today in this video we're talking about our website Freepik. Freepik is currently the #1 site when it comes to selling designs or as an essential platform for designers in general. I'll leave you the link in the PDF file, the registration link, or the one that takes you to the sign up page on the site so you can become a contributor or a user on the platform. After you click on the link, this page will open for you. As soon as you click and the page opens, you'll find something on the left side called Contributor User, which means you can become a contributor. It's really simple. You just click on it and then it takes you to this page. As we've mentioned before, you can sign up using your email or through Google or your Gmail account. Choose whichever method you prefer. After you choose, of course, you'll need to enter your email and password, which we've talked about several times before. The email must be reliable and valid, and your chosen password should be truly strong, meticulously containing a combination of uppercase capital letters, lowercase small letters, various numbers, and special symbols. After you carefully enter all of these required credentials and everything is verified as good, you can then confidently click the sign up button and successfully enter the secure site. After we click sign up, something pops up for us. It's to confirm that you're not a robot, that you're a human. So you select the image it's asking for. That means you point to it and click on it. Just click the image it suggested to you, and that's it. And then verify. After that, it takes us to this page. This is like the agreement. The first thing is this is basically the document that governs the interaction between you and the website and the terms for being a seller on the site. So you agree to these terms or principles by clicking on them. Then this page appears where you enter your username or public name, which is the name that appears to people, not your personal name. No, it's the name that will appear to people on your page when they visit your profile on the website to buy. And you enter your website. If you have a website, that's fine. If you don't, it's not a problem, and you just enter your country. After that, you'll see the section for your portfolio, where you enter links to your social media pages or the pages where you sell, like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. And if you have a website, for example, and want to include it, that's no problem. I think this part is very important because Freepik has something that isn't available on all the other sites, which is that it first tests whether you're suitable to sell your designs on the platform or not. So you upload a number of images for them to evaluate first. Then they give you approval to become a contributor or seller on the site. One of the things that helps them approve you to join and sell on the site is having accounts on well-known platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and others. So it's preferable, just like we learned with Shutterstock, how to create an account, upload your images, and get them approved. The same goes for Adobe Stock. After you have profiles on these sites, you put their links here. This really helps the site approve you and gives you the opportunity to sell your designs or photos on it. Then, of course, we also fill in the section for our social media accounts. Then we select the language, and that's it, we're done. After clicking Start Uploading, this page appears for us.